Hi friends, it's Alice here. Welcome to Alice's Little Universe. Here we read fun books, solve chess puzzles, and most importantly, have a great fun time. Today's chess puzzle is a very fun one. It's a game between two grandmasters. And do you know what? It's an equal position. Yeah, you probably didn't guess I was going to say that. White decided to play queen takes c6. And Black, without hesitation, took the pawn on f2. You may think it's strange. So did White. They probably thought, why did Black play that move? That bishop on e6 is obviously a free bishop for me. Why did I take it? They probably forgot that they were leaving it undefended. So, indeed, White took on e6 with the rook. This is today's chess puzzle. Did White make a good move or a bad move? What's the tactic? Or is there a tactic? I'll give you 10 seconds to find out. Got a move? I bet you do. In this position, you're probably thinking, oh, if only I could go rook to f1. It would be checkmate if that nasty rook on e1 was not there, defending that lovely checkmate position. So what would you do? Deflection tactic. Queen to e2. They can't take it because, of course, we'd go rook to f1. Checkmate. That's the whole point, that rook on e1 was there. So what can they play? If they play something like queen to c3, bad, bad, bad move. We can just go rook to f1 because they didn't put another defender on the f1 square and we had 3 attackers. They had 2 defenders. We all know that doesn't work. How to do rook takes, and we can go queen takes or rook takes. Checkmate. And if they go something like queen to c1, defending the f1 square, we can go rook takes g2 check, only move king h1, rook takes h2 check, only move king g1, and queen to g2 checkmate. So, what must White play in order to avoid the checkmate? Well, sadly, they have to sacrifice their rook and just open up their king so they can get out and not get back rank checkmated. And of course, we all know we take the rook. King to h2 and rook f1. Checkmate is now unavoidable. They can't stop rook to h1. Very, very hard for them to do that. We're completely winning as Black here. I'm sure you guys solved that chess puzzle. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed that video, please like and subscribe so we can keep learning out loud together again. Bye bye for now.